What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at our Dutchess yard and we have a lot of stuff to get cleaned up here. We have plows on this truck, we got trucks parked all over, and Rodrigo and Javier are up there. They are grabbing the pressure washer out of the bed of the mason dump with our tool cat. We are going to get all of these trucks washed today and then parked in the garage. We're going to try and fit them all in here. We have some stuff in here that we need to pull out, like this little tractor. We have this other John Deere here, and then we just have air hoses and plows and a little dumpster back here. So we got a lot of cleanup to do. We also have to get all these Western plows up on the racks here. So obviously we'll have to clean some of the space up on the racks to make room for all of them. But I am running right now to get a little garage forklift that we are renting because the tool cat that we have here doesn't reach the top shelf up there, and we're a little limited on how high we can put stuff. So I'm gonna go get that. I have my trailer right over there. I'm about to connect it to my truck. So I will pick that up and get back here. Rodrigo's gonna start pulling these trucks up to the hose and getting them cleaned, and then we will work on getting everything parked.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we got everything on the shelves here as we need. I got the dumpster and the other plow that was in here, out of here. We also had another one laying on the ground somewhere right here. I got that out of here. So I had to put toolcat plows on these shelves because the way that they're spaced here, the headlights on the Western plows are too tall. And unfortunately, with that shelf being as high as it is, we can't get anything up there with the forklift. So it's kind of dead space right now. We need to get something that's light that we can lift by hand or on a ladder or whatever and fill that space with something else. But we were pretty much done with the forklift that we rented. So I don't know if we really needed to rent it, but we did. And it was a little bit easier to maneuver in here rather than with the toolcat. We probably would have had to pull that truck out if we were using the toolcat. But I am gonna load this back on my trailer. I also have this generator on here. This is getting dropped at my house. This is my father's old one. He upgraded his and he's giving me this one. So I'm gonna leave it at my house, but I have my trailer in the driveway there. I'm gonna go get this loaded and get it returned. All right guys, so we're pretty much done here. They're just loading the mason dump. I'm taking my dad's Jeep home for the night. They've left my Colorado up there. We got another truck parked up there. They're loading some concrete in there. We also ran to the other job and grabbed that aluminum brake. They're gonna bring that down with them. We got a bunch of trucks parked all over the place down there, but we have a whole nother day here tomorrow getting everything finished up and put away for the rest of the summer. I know it's a bit late to be doing this, but we've been so busy with construction, we just haven't had time to get to all this stuff. So tomorrow we'll be back here, get everything completely finished, parked, batteries disconnected, the whole nine, and we'll be actually completely done with winter stuff for the year. Well, until October at least. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.